I'm Neil Crabb. I'm the CEO of Frontier IP Group PLC. We're quoted on the London Stock Exchange, and I've got the pleasure of chairing this year's event. It's been a fantastic mix of engagement of players across the whole of the IP landscape. Some really fantastic speakers, some great panel sessions. We've even had some live debating between some of the commercial majors going head to head over terms of licensing and such like, plus insights into issues of the day. There's a fantastic opportunity to network as well and really mingle with both the speakers and with fellow attendees at the event. Top quality, I would say, for me, first time back at an event for a couple of years, and well worth it. There's definitely something to be gained by engaging directly with people that really doesn't come across in the Zoom world, and if you're not here, you're missing out, so make sure you come next year.